Hello everyone, this is Ashik once again before you. First, I'm so sorry because of this bad noise, and I'm just using a simple webcam. That's why my voice is so, what should I say, so bad. Okay, so in this video I'm just going to show you how to fix these problems, like when you just making a form using gravity forms, and you are just using the null version of this gravity forms, and when you just use this quiz add-ons, and in this time you are facing these types of problems, and you are not able to give the width score, you are not able to give the width score. This one, okay, this is actually this should be looks like this one, and when you have just purchased any the license key of this gravity forms, this will work correctly. Okay, but we are using null version, that's why we are facing these types of problems. And in this video we are just going to learn how to make this one look like this one without purchased the gravity forms, and without purchased any, what should I say, any kinds of any payment, without any payment. Just we need to use some css code. So first of all, for making this one like this one, like this one, first of all we need to install a extension. The name of this extension is amino css editor. Okay, I have already installed it, so I'm just going to okay, first I'm just going to show you that I'm just going to say you that you have to sign up this amino css. Just signed up. Okay, I have already signed up, and you can see this is actually visible. So I'm just clicking on it. These types of what should I say, when these types of pop-up will be showed in front of you. I'm just going to paste a code, css code here. I'm just already paste it here and click on the save icon. When I just click on the save icon, sorry, save button, I have already saved. You can see the changes. So I'm just going to what should I say, I will give you the css code in the description below, so you can copy this one and paste it here. So another things is remaining, what I want to say, actually this code won't be what should I say, this code won't be working in the front end. So it actually works just for Chrome browser, just for a browser. It not it's it sorry, this code is not working for the website, it's just working with just this browser. Okay, so that's all about my today's presentation, today's topic, today's tutorial. Next I will come up with another interesting tutorial. Thanks for watching me. See you around. Ta-da.